Hello and welcome, my name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this sound demo video. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings. It's for this beautiful drum just here. So as you can see, it's rather a large 22-inch by 18-inch frame. We have a buffalo skin head on here. As you can see, it's rather beautiful, and if I turn it over you can see the way it's been laced. It's got artificial sinew for the lacing, and it's got a lovely silver birch branch handle. On the inside of the frame, which is oak, I put buffalo and oak, so you've always got that reference point for the materials that have been used. I put Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is my maker's mark. I put Pisces because the the date of the birthing, drum birthing, was in the star sign of Pisces, because it was birthed on the 19th of March 2024 in Knighton Parish, UK. So only just in Pisces, on the cusp of Aries. So yeah, just in that transitional period. But yeah, anybody who's interested in the astrology will be able to figure out exactly the energies that were around on the day when the drum was birthed with that information. So all this being said, let's have a listen to the sound, because that's why we're here. I'm going to play with a softer beater in a minute, but for now I'm going to play with this one, which is the firmer beater. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose it to be your very own. Here we go, the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, let's swap over. So this is the softer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision when you're going to choose online, which is always very tricky. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.